Hey, I'm Jamie with Xtracycle. I'm going to show you how to attach some cargo bags to your Xtracycle Swoop ASM. To install the BoomBox on your ASM, first remove the lid. Starting with the forward corner strap, secure the strap around the seat stay below the rear rack by looping the strap around the frame, through the buckle, and back onto itself. Next, attach the center strap on the back of the bag. It can be tricky, but loop it around the midpoint of the seat stay and pull it as tight as you're able. Attach the rear corner strap to the rear of the frame. Next, undo the large Velcro straps and fold them over the top of the rack and fasten them back onto themselves. The lower portion of the straps is not needed. Finally, the two lower corner straps attach to the footrest arms. Reattach the lid, and you're all done. To install a cargo bay on the ASM, start with the lower straps on the back of the bag and attach them to the chainstay, which is the lower frame of the bike. Loop the strap around the frame, through the buckle, and fasten it back onto itself. Attach the three top straps to the rear rack, and then clip the two corner buckles around the rear rack crossbars. Cinch the straps tight, and you're all done. To install the FreeLoader Too bags, start by attaching the center straps on the top of the rear rack. Loop the strap around the rack frame, through the buckle, and fasten it back onto itself. Attach the rear corner strap to the angled arm of the rear rack, and the top side strap to the rear frame arm. The front side strap and lower side straps do not need to be attached for this install. Finally, use a pair of zip ties to attach the lower buckles to the frame, and you're all done. To attach the Joe bags, you need the MIK compatible magic carpet. Snap the seat into place, then match the clips on the bag to the buckles attached to the seat. Use the rear strap to secure the bag to the lower frame chainstay. Pull the strap tight and tuck it out of the way of the spokes. You can use the bag either open or with the top lid folded inward. For any further assistance, reach out to us and we'll be glad to help.